Today I am going to unbox robokart drone. So let's open it. Name of the drone is Pluto 1.2 and here's how it looks. Part and structure of drone. This we have to place on top of it. Here we get a rechargeable DC motor. This is the main component. We can reprogram it. And here we get 4 mini batteries. Mini motors. I'll keep it aside. This is a part of a drone which we have to attach, and here we get a screwdriver, how it looks. I got a mini cardboard box over here. I'm going to open it. So here we get propellers in it. This is how it looks. We get 8 propellers in it. 4 are clockwise and the other 4 are anti-clockwise. I am going to put back in it. And here we get a tool to put the propellers and other work. So that's it. This was the unboxing of robokart Pluto drone 1.2.